Good morning. Let's take a look at the lesson, first part of lesson 1 that was presented in class on Monday, December 7th. The first thing we did was go over the end of unit assessment that was taken in class last Friday. And the end of unit assessment covered the first 6 pages of chapter 18. We talked about, we went through every question of the end of unit assessment, and then ultimately I announced that I have thrown it out of PowerSchool. Overall, students did not do well, and when we went through it together, I understand confusion, especially when it came to intensive pronouns, as we did not spend enough time on those. So anyway, that is gone, so don't even stress or worry about that anymore. Then we finished chapter 18 and then added to the note catcher for analyze a character. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looked like. So with chapter 18, we focus on Cal and his point of view toward himself, and that in chapter 18, Cal is feeling very unsure about himself. And then text evidence that we gathered all came from the same page about the beginning of that chapter, where he was thinking, maybe they think I'm not worth knowing, as all of the boys that they encountered just ignored him. Then as he was thinking about Possum, he said maybe he's just putting up with me. He was thinking I'll be alone in a crowd of kids who have nothing in common with me, and I'll be on my own without Pop to guide me. So throughout chapter 18, the author is using Cal's inner thoughts to develop his point of view. Then after doing that, I had asked that that analyzed point of view note catcher be turns in for an easy formal grade, since we've done the entire thing together. And so that should be turned into Monday's lesson, where it says chapter 18, analyze point of view, note catcher. So we completed chapter 9 together. We also completed chapters 10 and 11 together, chapter 12. We did chapter 14, chapter 17, and then today added chapter 18. So go ahead and get that submitted, and then we have a second part of the lesson tomorrow.